And you ain't got no place you can rest your mind.
Yeah. What's cracking, crackers? I'll do this. All righty. So I don't know. We'll see what happens here. But I got some new things in, and we'll take a look at those. And one of them, or actually three of them, there's two, there's three, are these. Koalas. These are 2 ounce Australian. Damn it. You know, with the queen on it, they're yeah, look at the year. 18, 2 ounce. I got 3 of them. They weren't that big. That's all right there. I don't know if I showed this before or live or public anyways. But I got one of those. The Apollo. It's pretty badass looking. I mean, it looks sick. It's curved. It's basically mirror finished on the back. Well, that's why it's a decam. And then, let's see. Okay, this one I haven't shown live. This is 18. This is a 2018 5 ounce libtard, antique finished, and it is sick looking. Take a look at the reverse. If it focuses. They only made 2,000. So what did I proceed to do? I proceeded to buy every single 5 ounce of 2018, and this is one of the ones I got today. Which is absolutely sick. On Look at the titties. Fucking piece of shit. There you go. High relief. There's a couple thousand of these, I think. Here's the BU. BU's BU. The only one I don't have right now is the proof version. I don't know, it's taking longer to ship. So I'll have 4 of them. I'll have the 4. Goddamn. 4 different 5-ounce libtards. And what else I get? If you want to join in the hangout, just click the link. I posted it right there. I think I showed these before. It's nothing. It's cheesy, is what it is. I mean, it's a total gimmick, but I bought one of them, so whatever. They're kind of cool, but the reverse looks kind of badass. Where the meteorite kind of blasts through, and there's a queen. But there's nothing else. Like a lot of empty. Like most of the field is empty. And this one goes to my Eagle collection. So it's a 70 decam for 19W, I guess. And that might be it. I don't know. Let's see. These are dumb. I'm not even sure why I bought these. I might have shown these before, but it's 2019 Beard Token Antique Copper Smithsonian. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus. It's really nothing. I mean, these are like $10 a piece. They're brand new. It's not like they're old or anything. Like silver. Go find them. I'm waiting for the next ATB to come out, which I don't should be 5-ounce ATB. You can pre-order it, but here's a Lowell. I got 2 of those. I don't know. I don't think this is it's probably not going to be the greatest, but some of the most expensive ones are, you look at them and they're like, why is that the most expensive one? It's almost like some of them are like so ugly that nobody cares, but then so there's not many of them, and then it becomes the rare one, and then it becomes the expensive one, and turns into a whole thing. But there's the one more Libertard I'm getting. Let's see here. I'll have the 4-piece set, and I'm wondering if I can get in the airtights and make kind of a display piece. Here's a 3, but I'm not going to sell them. So proof, the BU, and I have the proof coming. It'll be here next week probably. So it's it'll be like a 4-piece set. I mean, really the only reason why I bought them, because I don't have that many Libertards to begin with. I probably have less than 10 1-ounce, but I've always liked them. But they always have a premium on them because the mintage is always a little bit lower than most people in like the States or Canada or the Brits. And so I never really. I saw the antiqued, and I bought this. I'm like, that is badass. I'm gonna get the reverse, the BU, and the proof. Get that. That's a pig. That's a lunar pig. They're hard to see like that. It's not gonna stay there. There you go. Yeah, so I have the one more, the proof. And, it's a premium. I understand that. Like, I don't remember what I paid, but the BU is like reversed was 130, and the antique was, I think the antique was the most. It was like pushing 150, and then the proof is like 135 or something. I mean, there's definitely a premium on them, but fuck it. Let's see. What else? One of my only colored coins. $69. Why is it a 69? I have no idea. It's a 69 because they wanted to make it a 69. Go over that number. They already had the game they play. We can only have 3,070s and everything else has to be a 69. The hell is that thing? Great Wall of China. But the basketball game off the reflection of this fucking thing. Nope, that's a 69. Doesn't matter. I didn't send it in. My God, this has to be the lowest scoring basketball game I've ever seen. I'm watching San Antonio, Denver. It's 68-78 in the fourth quarter with 7 minutes left to go. Oh, yeah. They're super nice. There's 2,000 of the there's 2,000 antique. There's 2,100 of the reverse proof. That's a BU. I think those are unlimited for the year, but there's it might make like 30,000, like 20 or 30,000 of them. And then the proof, I can't remember, but there'll probably be like around 5,000 of them. It's not going to be that many. It's not going to be that many. What's that? It's hard to tell the difference there, but the lighting, I guess, is what it is. What do you got, Mick? You got anything new?
I know I'm gonna have echo. I know I don't have this right.
What do you got, Mick? You got anything new?
No. I've gotten rid of silver actually. I know I'm
Oh.
gonna have echo. I know I don't have this right.
What do you got, Mick? You got anything new?
No. I've gotten rid of silver actually. I know I'm gonna have echo. I know I don't have this right.
What do you got, Mick? You got anything new?
No. I've gotten rid of silver actually. I know I'm gonna have echo. I know I don't have this right.
What do you got, Mick? You got anything new?
No. I've gotten rid of silver actually. I know I'm gonna have echo. I know I don't have this right.
What do you got, Mick? You got anything new?
No. I've gotten rid of silver actually. That's funny.
What do you got, Mick? You got anything new? What do you got, Mick? You got Yeah, that's a lot of. That's like broken record feedback. Yeah, that's a lot of.
Any better or no?
It's like broken record feedback.
Any better now, or do I still sound like a douchebag? Any better or no?
It's like broken record feedback.
Any better now, or do I still sound like a douchebag? Any better or no?
Yep. Spot price comes down and I buy this crap. That's exactly right. Punch bowl turd. It's absolutely correct. I have quarters. Where are my quarters? Those are cheap. These are cheap. Well, what year is this? Yeah, that's old. No, these were cheap. These 2-ounce Canadian pandas. They're not that bad. Or koalas. Whatever the fuck they are. Yeah, it's a koala. Those are a couple bucks over spot. It's like Eagles. I mean, even, it gets to a point where spot price can go down to $12 an ounce. They're still going to charge $19 for an eagle. They're just not going to go any lower. Which is what it is. Because they have to make their money back. And if it goes that low and it stays that low for 5 years, then it'll start to come down. But initially, it's not a day-to-day basis that it's going to go down like that, or even a month to month. It'll take 5 years for eagles to not be $19. If spot's 14, they're 19. Let's say spot was 5 and they're still 17. To stay at 5 for 5 years. And what you need to be looking for is a great American coin hunt. Going through all of your change and looking at it, trying to find, well, basically you're looking for a lottery ticket. Well, I don't do anything. The only graded stuff I buy is, if it's new graded, it has to be 70. I don't buy anything less than a 70 if it's new.
Agree with that.
And if it's old stuff, I'm not really into old stuff, so I don't really care about it.
Pre-33 gold, period.
Yeah, but it doesn't need to be graded. It can just be loose.
It can be anything, yeah. I will tell you, bro, I sold a lot of my silver, and not because I had to, just because I was kind of getting over it. And I thought about all ways to sell it. So eBay to maximize the price, or going to the local coin shop and, having him laugh at me when I tell him, but I bid on that coin for the best price I got. Bullion bullshit, they don't care. If it's not a quote unquote like mint issued coin outside of bullion, like if it is it's bullion,
Yep.
and you're only gonna get a little, even probably a little less than spot price, because he's gonna tell you, well, then sell it on eBay and take your 15% hit. So like at the end of the day, it's like that's the reality of it.
Yep. I went in January. I went and sold. I've never sold anything, and then in January I sold 230 ounces of silver because I was buying a truck and I just wanted to get some cash.
Mm-hmm.
And it was all my bullion, my bar, like just not all of it, but
I did the same thing. Yeah,
it was in random rounds, just random stuff, right? And green TV it's always changing every 10 minutes to spot prices and what he pays. And he's like, okay, you got this. They tested everything, they weighed everything, and it was like, I don't know what it was. It was $3,500 or something. And I gave it to them. The guy has like a casino money machine, that just counts money, go, like in the movies.
Yeah.
And he goes, boom, 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 counts out. Here he goes. No paperwork, no names, no identification.
But the weird thing was,
nothing.
me, they didn't even test it. I mean, granted, I have gray hair. You know, I'm a 53-year-old guy. So, I mean, I guess I didn't look like I was trying to rob the place. And it's not like I walked in there, to your point, with $1 million. But yeah, but at the end of the day, it didn't matter whether I had an elephant, a Somali elephant. I mean, I didn't sell my perf mint stuff. I I sold a lot of eagles, and eagles. The only difference is eagles get pretty much from my guy, local guy, exactly. I think he paid. I think it was $1 over spot, but
Yeah.
then everything else was spot. Didn't matter whether it was a low minted Somali elephant or a fucking. I didn't bring Libertads either, and that's what made me jump on this call because I like Libertads, and that's the only thing I didn't sell too. So I don't know, but I bet you he would have tried to give me spot for that too. And I love, but at the end of the day, that's all you're gonna get when you go to a local coin store.
Yeah, I think I got like $1.50 over on Eagles,
Yeah.
and then I had some Britannias that were maybe a buck over, but
Yeah, like a
then
buck, right?
yeah, and then everything else was just spot.
It's spot, right? Yeah, the guy was laughing at me. And that you saw that. I'm sure I showed you some drunken nights here, but when that 7 coin silver coin Libertad set I had that I paid 450 for. It sells on eBay for about 1,200. It's the first year issue, 2014. When I bought it to this guy, without verifying it, like he was willing to give me $800. Like so, it's just like like I actually enjoy collecting this stuff. Like I love the unique stuff. But at the end of the day, when you walk into the coin store, if you really need to cash out, it's just bullion.
Yeah, you know.
So how you been otherwise, man? What's been going on?
Well, the same shit.
You still at work, right? How many years you got in now?
I'm still at work. 13.
God bless you. Yeah, that's awesome, bro. What's going on in the lovely state of Oregon?
Well, there's a lot of home campers.
Yeah.
And people that
Bro,
move
I
here.
have seen your couple of videos. Yeah.
They camp here and they get free food and
Well,
they throw rocks at the police and
it's like California, man. It's
yeah, that's the problem. Like Portland is getting raped between California and Seattle.
Yeah. The beauty is we don't have the weather, to attract that bullshit. Thank God. Actually, Jersey's weather has gotten just horrible. I feel like we live in Seattle now.
Yeah, even British Columbia is a dump. Like Vancouver, there's so many homeless people there. They're everywhere.
Yeah, but Trump is evil, and the world is crazy. It's brutal. So what else have you been buying? I mean, you still been buying silver pretty steadily?
Not so much last year. This year, the beginning of like 19, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'll still buy gold. What I basically do now is like I earn points on my credit card. So once I earn $325 worth of points, I always buy a quarter ounce of gold. Period.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? I'm telling you, Mike, I've been doing that for forever. For years, every time and I just look at that as free gold. I'm spending the money anyway. And that's really been my main stack. Outside of, I did get into a lot of silly silver, high premium. I dumped it all. I'm sure I lost a shitload of money, whatever. Um, I still have an interest in it though. Like, I still buy some weird shit, but outside of that, I don't buy a lot of silver too much anymore. I'm not stacking it, like I used to. Gold I'll buy, if I can stack a quarter ounce of gold a quarter, put 1 ounce of gold away a year. I think that's a good goal.
What? How many ounces? A couple ounces? Or...
Yeah, just one.
Yeah.
Quarter ounce a quarter.
Yeah.
Like through my credit card, and like I said, that's it.
That's what people do. It's like they find like, I don't know, they call it free money or whatever, but they know how to play the game, and so they're able to do it. And if you stay on it, you can do it. It's the people that get tricked out of it, and then that's when the company makes the money.
No, yeah, without a doubt.
But I don't know. I'm just a little bit here, a little bit there, whatever. It comes and goes.
Exactly.
I mean, last year I didn't buy shit. Last year I probably spent like $1,000. I don't even know. It just wasn't on my mind that much.
Yeah. Well, to that point, I clearly just, changed my mindset to if I like it, I'll buy it. I'm not looking to get money out of it anymore. I got rid of a lot of bulk that I thought was going to change my life. I still have silver, but I look at it differently. I enjoy it in a different way.
Yeah, you gotta look at it like, well, it's not going to make you rich. It's not an investment. You buy it as a collection, as a hobby.
Exactly.
You buy it as a savings account for cash. It's liquid cash.
Yeah. Well, yes. Oh, and it always was that for me, for the most part, But I mean, I did stack a little bit heavy on just, stuff, for the sake of having it. And I'm like, why do I have it? It's heavy, it's bulky, it's not appreciating. I could be throwing this money in the market, I was like, so I did. I dumped a lot of.
Yeah, but that's not the way to look at it, though. It's the way you should look at it. It's liquid cash that you have in your closet, and it just sits there. You're not looking for dividends. You're not even looking for appreciation. It's almost insurance that you have, and it's there.
Yeah, which I totally get that piece of it, and I still have a chunk of it. Don't get me wrong. I didn't dump it all, but I don't know. Like for me, it was like it wasn't growing enough. To your point, it wasn't earning anything, and it was floundering, and a lot of it was just high premium bullion that frankly I took a lot of that money, I gotta be honest with you, brother, and leveraged it into the market to make up for the losses that I incurred because I was stupidly buying stuff that, at the end of the day wasn't worth its premium.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of gimmicks out there. There's a lot. I mean, it's just like anything. They will try to sell you anything, and so some people buy
just bullion, just even eagles. I mean, when you buy an eagle, I think an eagle, in the silver world, I
either
think
buy what you like and just like that, or you buy shit for an investment. But then if you're buying shit for an investment, you might get caught up in something that's bullshit. And now you're all, you get bent out of shape out of it. You lose money. You're worried about it. And
Yeah, for me, I just saw the cash making more money in the market than ever it would in gold or silver. I still hold a lot of gold. You know, that's the one metal I won't let go of. And to your point, I love having it here. Makes me feel good. And I also have a chunk of silver, but I totally pared down my silver. Totally. Way down.
Just buy gold then.
Well, like I said, I just turn my credit card points into gold. You know, I don't do anything crazy. You know, I'm probably buying a quarter ounce a quarter. You know, it's kind of what it amounts to, I think, give or take. An ounce a year. We'll see how it turns out. I don't know.
Well, it doesn't really matter because everybody on planet Earth knows what gold is, and you can use it anywhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, it's you know, I actually never sold gold at the local store, but I gotta imagine with that question, you know, gold is going to be always in demand. It'll always earn a price. Hopefully, I expected it to be higher now, but it is what it is. Like I said, I don't go crazy stacking it. You know, it's
No, neither do I. I probably have. I don't know what I have. I have gold. I don't have that much. Like maybe 5 ounces. I'm not Alan Gold styles. I don't rock it as hard as Alan Gold does.
yeah. Well, you know, everybody has their thing. You know, where they put their money. Honestly, I've always put my money everywhere. I just throw it at everything and hope it all works out. You know, a little bit of stocks, a little bit of gold. You know, and I've lost a lot of money over the years. Fucking crypto. You know, I probably pissed away some thousands there.
Diversify.
I definitely pissed away some thousands in gold and silver premium. I've also pissed away some thousands in bad stock investments. But I've also, you know, kicked the cock out of some investments. I've had some winners. So, you know, it's just, I laugh. You know, I'm just, you know, it's hard to get it right.
Well, that's why you have to diversify.
Yeah, well,
Right.
that's what I'm
And
saying. Yeah,
that's
pretty much
so
throw
you
money
got
at
to
it.
be all over the place. You can't be stuck in one thing unless you know what's going to happen. And that one thing, you can't be in just one thing. So you have to get that's when you get into insider trading, insider
Yeah,
information.
that's not my thing.
Little birdie whispers something in your ear.
Nah, I'm a swing trader. I basically swing on momentum and news. That's how I make my money. When I make money, don't always make it. Like Amazon, you know, I've traded Amazon for the last couple of years and made at least 10 grand.
What today?
Which I couldn't do that with silver and gold.
Yeah, Intel went down like $28 billion yesterday. Just because they have a bad outlook on 2019 earnings.
Yeah, that's when you want to buy. I would double down there, right there, bro. When everybody's running, When everybody's running out of the fire, you be the fireman.
Oh, I know. You have to go the opposite direction.
Exactly.
It's
Hang on
because,
1 second.
Alan, why don't you join the room? Stop being a biatch. Alan only talks to David for some bizarre reason.
Yo, bro, you remember how long I've been talking about marijuana stocks, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I mean, think about what they've done. Even in this year, I've seen 80% growth. I mean, I've been in those things for a decade.
You gotta get out of that ASAP.
Dude. I am so in the green.
No, I'll tell you why. Because all the weed shops where I live, the prices keep going down and down. It was $3 grams. They're $3 grams. I drove by a place today, $1 joints, dude. They're selling joints for $1.
That's awesome.
No, but it's oversupply. They can't get rid of the stuff, dude.
There won't be oversupply for long. The problem is because the supply chain is choked right now. It's growing. I've told you, like I said, I've been talking about it as long as I met you, and it's even getting bigger now. So much money to be made.
I guess in the rest of the states that'll legalize it. I guess you got another 40 states to go.
Well, yeah. Well, you have medical, and then you have, recreational grow. And I agree with you. There will be you'll eventually hit a ceiling. I mean, it's not going to be. But what a lot of people don't realize is it's marketplace shifting. Millennials aren't drinkers. They're growing up smoking weed, or they're doing nothing. Millennials, they're doing two things. They're not driving, and they're not drinking.
Yeah.
So sell your Ford, Chevy, all your motor car, buy your Lyft and Uber stock, because that is the future. And they love cannabis over alcohol. So the idea that they're not, cannabis is not going to bite in to a 50 billion plus whatever market alcohol is, that's just silly, like there's so much money to be made in cannabis, it's just unbelievable.
I think we have a bunch of microbrews here, and a few of them have closed down in the last year or so. And I think the entire microbrew industry is going to the shit hit the fan with it. I mean,
exactly,
because it's gotten. I haven't drank. It's gotten to the point where they're all the same. There's so many of them. They're all the same.
Yeah.
They're expensive.
Yeah.
They're all in glass bottles, which I don't want to deal with glass bottles. And it's just like, and they're every single one you drink is 250 calories. Those heavy microbrews, dude, I probably lost at least 20 to 30 pounds just by not drinking those things. And that's like a 6-pack, like every couple of days. It's just, you're drinking like pancake mix. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And
it's funny because I haven't been drinking.
Like, I like to try all the new ones. Like, a new one would come out. Well, I want to try that. And a new one would come out. Well, I want to try that. and it gets to the point where they all taste the same. They're all the same. So why am I paying $10 for 6 beers?
Yeah.
And it's like nothing but, and I'm like, I don't need to do this. I'm too old. And like, I swear to God, dude, in the last year, 4 or 5 breweries. I don't need to do this. I'm too old. They've closed down. There's 5 different breweries that have closed down.
Right. Yeah. No, I agree. It's like I said, these young kids, they're not drinking the way we did. I mean, like I said, I'm 53, but back in the day, I mean, that's all you wanted to do was consume alcohol and chase girls, or guys or whatever your thing was. But for me, but the millennials today, they're not thinking alcohol. They're not even big weed smokers, but if they're going to go anywhere, it's weed, and alcohol companies, and none of them want to drive. They don't want the responsibility. I listen. I manage a bunch of millennials. I did an assignment for like the last year and a half with a bunch of millennials that I manage, and basically, they would spend $20 each way to work when they're making $20 an hour to get to work. So they would give 2 hours, net 6 on a given day versus owning a car. Now, I guess if you broke down the math between insurance, depreciation, loan interest, blah, 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 this, that, you know what I mean? I don't know what the answer is there, but the only observation I made, Mike, was that they don't want to drive.
Well, they don't want they don't want a monthly car payment because that's a responsibility.
Bingo.
Maintenance is a responsibility. They don't want to do that. They don't want to go to the gas station. They don't want to deal with getting an oil change. And so it's just an on-demand service. That's all it is. And so that's how they are. That's how they think. That's how their life is. Everything's on demand.
That's what I'm saying. It's a
And
really
so all the roads are filled. I see them. Everybody that I see has a Lyft and Uber sticker. Do them at the same time.
Yeah. No, I don't know if we have Dunkin' Donuts out here. I think you guys have them out there, right? But there's an app. So you can basically pre-order on your app, and then you more or less show up to Dunkin' Donuts, your shit's sitting on the counter, and it's paid for with the receipt. But I watched a girl the other day. It was broken down. So this chick walks in, and her stuff wasn't there. So she looks totally flabbergasted. The girl walks up to her and says, "Can I help you?" She rather than speaking out loud to the woman, she just holds her phone, I guess, showing the order that this is what I pressed the button for. I don't want to talk. And the woman's like, "Oh yeah, the machine's down. You want that?" And she didn't even respond. Well, the woman gets it. Like it was just like I was baffled. Like she couldn't even verbalize anything.
I know.
It's like
people freak out if they have to wait a minute for anything at this
So
point.
wait, Mick, are these millennials afraid of the shadow?
That's even worse. That was a classic example of just people can't communicate. But yeah, that's the whole thing. I don't need my coffee waiting for me. I don't know, but it is what it is. It's just funny shit. Oh, there he is.
Mick.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Are these millennials afraid of their shadow?
Has Alan been in here?
I don't know if Mick can hear me.
Nancy Pelosi let him in.
Oh, shit.
I think we should build a wall, actually, between California and the rest of the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lost cause.
Well, I mean, California is a lost cause.
Got that right.
I mean, what are you going to do?
Mick, can you hear me?
Yeah, I don't know.
No. Mick, you don't hear Alan talking?
I don't hear him.
Holy shit.
Hey, Mick.
How come I don't hear him?
Mick is
Is he
lit up like
talking?
a Christmas tree.
Yes.
Holy shit.
Now what happened? What happened now? It's anarchy.
Crazy.
It's total nuts. Am I still on YouTube? It's anarchy. Yep.
Crazy.
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now, Mick?
Am I still on YouTube?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you, and I hear me, and I hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now? Mick!
Why
Am
is
I still on YouTube?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you, and I hear me, and I hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now? Oh, shit. Mick! This a nightmare or what?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you, and I hear me, and I hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Can you hear me now?
I'm not sure how he does that. That's an amazing thing.
It's unbelievable, Mike. Unbelievable.
Did you see this, Alan?
Yeah.
Did you see my antique tard?
Oh, Libertard? Libertard.
Oh, it's a beautiful thing. I mean, honestly, look at it.
Pretty, I mean, that is pretty. Hold on, though. I thought you had. Did you have 2 reverse proof gold Libertads?
Are you talking about one? Like what size?
No, I thought I saw reverse proof gold Libertad.
No, I don't have that. I don't have that kind of shit. No.
Okay, I was going to say those are huge.
Well, yeah, I understand that. That's out of my ballpark.
I thought I saw that in your frame, which I was like, holy shit.
Well, I have these tiny
Mike's
little.
getting in the big league here.
Well, I have these little bitches. Those are half grammers.
Holy shit, those are little chinkies.
Yeah, those are half gram fucking. It's not even going to focus. Oh, there it is.
Oh my god, that's freaking Gary Rich special right there.
Yeah, I need glasses. I need a magnifying glass.
Oh shit. Yeah, that's horrible. That's a horrible crime scene right there.
But they are in their own sealed plastic thingies.
Yeah, get $50 in here, man. He'll put some spunk on those.
Well, he'll take that to TGIF Fridays and try to buy a salad with him or something.
To buy a coupon.
Yeah. Can I get a 2-for-1 on that? I told you about this piece of crap. I don't even know why I bought this.
That is epic right there. Beard. What is that beard token?
I don't know. It's nothing is what it is.
Oh my god, that's great. Russian. Is that Russian beard?
What's up, you faggot?
What's up, Mickelson?
It's not gold. It's not silver. It's like.
That's classic.
How the fuck you been, man?
It's like whatever. It's like, well, there's 12,000. That's a lot of them too. 12,000. It's too many.
Oh my god. Nick, how you doing, brother?
Good. How you, man? What's up?
Oh man. Living the dream, baby.
Yeah, I'm still following you like a rock star. You know. Like
Well, that's not easy to do, by the way. I'll give you credit.
Keeping an eye on the community. Nah, just chilling, man. I was off for a year and a half. Consulted for 6 months, and now I'm going back to corporate. So,
Oh, really? What are you doing? Going back to a full-time job?
yeah, a small brokerage firm. Yeah, just something 10 miles from the house. No highways. Little chill job. I hope it works out. We'll see how it goes. But it is what it is. Just looking to get back in the game a little bit.
That's cool.
Yep. Outside of that, just hanging out. How's everything with you? How's work going?
Work is good, brother. Same company. I'm going on 7 years.
Damn. Mikey's doing the lifetime sentence for the city.
Oh yeah, no, I appreciate that. I understand.
Oh yeah, I'm basically in prison.
I would,
Well,
dude,
look,
I would kill for a job like yours.
Well, I have shackles around my ankles, and
we're all in prison. It's just a matter of what do you call it? It's all the same prison, pretty much. I mean,
nah, ridiculous. I would love it. Would love to have a city pay and pension.
No, you wouldn't. Trust me.
No, it's got its downside.
No, at this stage of my life, I would. Yeah, no, not all my life, maybe. I guess I don't know, but sounds comfy now.
Yep.
No, I'm an old white guy, 50, retired, trying to find employment. Nobody want. There's no country for an old white.
Oh no, they don't want to hire us, man.
Nope.
Well, there's a whole national It's a whole national movement coming from the top. It's all women. So if you notice, all movies, it's women leads. It's women. Everything you see is going to be women.
Well, the whole thing is ridiculous.
It's all dykes. I mean, it's even women. It's all dykes.
Dude, they're pushing it down. The person that runs our building, she's in charge of 500 people. She's a lesbian.
Yep.
Said to us, talking to all of us, said there's too many white men working here.
Yeah, man.
She said that, and it's a whole. And they interviewed 100 people like a month ago for new jobs, and every one of them was a minority or a woman.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, dude! Listen, I was let go of Prue. No surprise there. Retired, right? And I've applied back a million times in different capacities, on top of other million other jobs out there in the market. Not a million, but you get the drift. And it's just there is, and when you look at my LinkedIn profile, like I got a little bit of gray hair, but it's not over the top. Like it almost looks blonde, but they're just white Irish names. Just are not the first names that are being called for the corporate interview. It's so funny. I laughed.
No.
Not that I needed a job, but I always kept looking, of course. Like who wouldn't? Kept poking in, trying to see what I could find. But, I will tell you, I didn't have a lot of success out there.
It's tough.
Now I'm going back to work. It's a small firm, it'll be fun, but he wanted the old white guy. Oh, what is that? Oh my God. So Mike, have you gone on eBay? Did that appreciate in value or depreciate?
Well, to be honest,
What is that?
this one.
Oh, that's the baseball.
Yeah, but I have.
Get the news unit on here.
No, this is the New York label one.
Fucking.
There's not a single.
I would bet you that is appreciated.
There's not a single one of these on eBay. I've looked the last week. You cannot
No
find
way,
it.
Mike. Those things have.
I'm telling, hey Mikey, man, I'm telling you, I live in Jersey.
You'd be lucky to get
that emblem.
Of that.
You cannot find this on eBay.
What you got to do is you put that on eBay as an East Coast sale only, Yankee fan sale only.
I know.
I will only sell it to a Yankee fan minimum
You cannot. This is
$500.
$350 easy.
Yeah, or
No,
whatever
Mike,
it is. Yeah.
Mike, that's $30.
No, it's a New York.
Those things
It
have
doesn't. I've looked.
cratered.
It doesn't exist on eBay.
No, Mike.
In my
those
opinion,
things have cratered.
listen,
But I'm talking about the label, dude. That's
No, fuck
these
it.
morons buy the label.
Alan, I'll
Those
have
have
to
been a
admit
horrible
that
train
is
wreck,
the
Silver fucking people are retards, and all
Alan.
on
they buy
eBay
is a
right now.
fucking label. This fucking
Go on eBay right now,
It's
motherfucker.
not. I will. You cannot find this on eBay.
Come
This
on,
is
man.
not
Go
on eBay.
right now.
There's one from Canada and there's one from.
How much?
Listen, both you retards. I have to admit that is one of the best looking labels I've seen ever on a coin.
It is a nice label.
I think, Mike, you have a winner. I think you promote that to the East Coast on eBay. East Coast special. They'll eat it up. Yankee fan.
I talk to like Valium and what's his nuts, and they list stuff on eBay. I go, you need to fucking list the shit out of it. You need to price everything over the moon because the economy is on fire. Everybody has money. You need to overprice.
This sounds like a Mob Deep hangout.
Fuck that shit. If you think it's worth $50, you need to put $200 on it.
Come on, Mick.
Exactly.
And do not take best offer. To buy it now. You want it, you're gonna pay for it, motherfucker.
Buy it now, bitch.
Yeah, exactly.
Everybody needs to overprice everything.
Yeah.
But I have to say, I think that, dude, I think I have a friend that would buy that from you.
I don't hate on that.
What do you want for it? What can I buy from you for?
I'm not selling it.
Oh, I thought you were.
No, I don't sell anything.
How much?
$5,000.
Suck his nuts, Mick.
All right, hang on. Let me ask the wife. I gotta wake her up.
Oh, she's gonna slap you in your fucking ass.
But I'm telling you, I have friends that are Yankee fans. So, as an example, if I showed them a picture of what Mike just showed us, and I said, "Hey, a friend of mine selling this coin. It's a cool little thing you could put in your bar as a Yankee fan. You know, hang, on your shelf or put it in a frame. Dude, I could sell those all day long.
Oh yeah,
for more than they're worth."
Did you see this disaster that I bought? Because I know you guys don't watch any of my videos, but
we watch all your videos.
I watch everything.
Yeah, we saw this keyhole. Oh yeah, what a disaster!
You can't find that on eBay either.
Sometimes I jerk off to your videos, and sometimes I jerk off to you.
I think it's a little perverted because I'm looking through a keyhole.
What am I looking at?
Half naked, you know.
The keyhole. Is she sucking a dick?
Well, she's half naked, and nobody knows how old she is, so I'm a little concerned about that. You know what I mean?
I actually like that coin. That's a color.
You see how thick that is?
Back it up.
Look at that.
That is fucking hot.
Back it up.
And it doesn't go through the other side, right? Here's the back of it.
That's hot.
Yeah, still got the old fucking queen on it. Let me see. Can you flip it around and back it away from the camera a little bit?
But then you see how thick that stamp is.
Nick loves how thick that is.
That is thick.
Yeah. Back it up.
She looks like she is
There's a half-naked chick in the middle of it.
She looks like she's grabbing a guy at the waist.
She might be.
That is beautiful. That is beautiful.
Okay.
What is it? It's a mint state 70.
Whoa, nice. Perfect. That's a perfect grade.
Absolutely perfect. I think there's only 2,000 of them. Look at how thick the plastic is. You see that? That's thick plastic.
Oh my God, it's so hard.
I'm so fucking hard, man.
Like a normal ATB or a normal great slab is like, God damn it, is here. And that's like that. That's like two slabs next
to each other. Last time I come like this, I was holding a 2014.
Oh, that's a lot. Dude, if you're buying that much plastic, dude, That's fucking tight.
It's pretty sexy right there.
There's no way around it.
Can't hate on that.
Oh no.
Let me see that Indian. What's that Indian thing? That right in the middle there.
What?
Right there in the. Yeah.
This
There you go.
the
Yeah.
beard guy?
What is that?
I already showed you this.
I know, but I got to see that again. That's so fraudulent.
It's nothing, is what it is.
Is that a Russian beard token? That
Yeah.
is awesome.
That's Jason it before he shaves.
That's like the Russian Frederick Douglass. That is epic, Mike.
Oh, it's absolutely terrible.
Where the fuck did you get that?
Why do you have that coin? That's what I want.
That was a bad
It was
fucking weekend.
Like
night.
didn't care.
Yeah, that was a bad weekend night, man.
Apparently, yeah, that was a drunken night on eBay.
12,000.
He's like, I don't know what I got, but
Well, $10. I mean, whatever.
congratulations.
Exactly.
Yep.
I'll put it on eBay for 99. I'll put it on
you'll
eBay
make
for
a shit-
$100.
Yeah, I'm sure you'll make a ton.
You could call it the terrorist chick.
That's great.
Well, nobody knows what this is. You put it on eBay for I put it on eBay for like $2,000.
You could put fucking dog shit on.
Look,
eBay.
that's a whole lot better than papal bullion, Mike.
Well, exactly.
Where's Mount Deep?
He's dead.
I think he's dead.
Yeah.
Did he die?
Prison. Well, I didn't know. Prison or death. One or the other.
Yeah, it has to be one or the other.
Yeah.
He can't be dead. Guys like that don't die.
It's over with.
He's probably the one of the largest landowners in Toronto right now.
Wait, I don't get that joke.
Dude, the Libertads, that's all I hold now. Is Libertad, cheap bullion, and gold.
Oh yeah, gold. I almost bought gold last night. There was a pretty good deal of 3 Canadian. They're like lions or cougars or something, and they're 3 grams a piece, and they come in a card. They're $150 a piece.
Don't buy grams. I mean,
Well, they were. They're 3 grams each, so you're buying 9 grams, and it was $450.
Generally, a bad investment. As a financial advisor, Mike, I would tell you your better bet is just to save your money until you, and even a quarter ounce, which is what I buy. A financial advisor would argue that that's a bad investment. As you, the more fractional you go, the higher premium you pay, less return on investment deficit you have the minute you purchase it. You know, so theoretically, the best move is to sock away $100 a month and buy 1 ounce of gold a year. Period.
1 ounce of gold a week.
Oh yeah, that's right. I mean, every time you get fractional, the premium goes up.
Agree. I don't have any. Well, actually, I have 2 quarter ounce proof koalas, but they were graded. I just bought them on eBay. But otherwise, everything I have is 1 ounce gold.
But you know why it is? It's because people. It's easier for somebody to spend $50, $60 on a gram than it is to spend $1,500 on an ounce.
Right, it's the price of admission. Yeah,
and so that's what they do.
And Mick, I have 60 door stops now.
What do you have?
60 door stops.
Kilos?
Wow.
100 ounce.
Or
Love that.
Yep.
Yeah. No, like I said, and most of my gold has been stacked just from points from a credit card. It's ridiculous. I still buy the quarter ounce only because I love the size. And I do envision someday, being an old guy living in some, community where I walk around the corner to the local coin shop, give the guy one gold eagle, and then come back and I got 300 whatever bucks or whatever it's worth at that moment, and I got a little money to spend for that month, like that's what I always saw. I saw one gold eagle as 1 month of just spending money. So for every one I collected, I looked at that as gravy money in retirement. That's how I looked at it.
Amen, my brother.
And I just kept collecting them. I just keep storing them, collecting them.
yeah, it's a way for me. It's a way to hide money. To like, if I have like $500 in cash, I'll spend it. But if
Yeah,
if I have,
yeah.
I can't spend it. It's like, well, now I got to go to a coin shop and they got to buy it from me, and it's a whole thing, and it becomes.
Well,
And that's how
I look at it. I mean, I look at it two ways, right? I mean, I don't really have a urge to spend it so much as I don't want to sit there and devalue, and I also don't want it to be at risk of some bullshit with my bank.
What, cash?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, yeah, exactly.
Now, at the same time, I'm not unrealistic. They could make it really difficult to liquidate metals, right? We've talked about this. They can impose bullshit taxes. They can impose transfers of money, wire transfers, all these different. So you still could end up needing to transact between you and a private party, go on Craigslist or whatever and say, look, meet me at the Starbucks. I'm going to sell you 100 ounces of silver and you're going to give me $2,000 worth of cash. So, I mean, we still could be dealing with that reality of having to transact, on a very base level. So, unfortunately, we're still kind of fucked into the system of if you want to liquidate your metals, they could make it difficult for us to do that and get the
And
money.
that's part of the reason why I lost. I mean, in terms of my net worth, I gotta admit, metals are. It's always been a hobby.
Yeah, it's nothing for you, Mick. I'm sure, right?
I'm not gonna put I'm not gonna do it. I mean, the reason I'm sitting home doing nothing is because of the market. I can't turn my back on what got me here.
Right.
I don't ever intend to do that. But I loved investing in cryptos in spite of losing money. I loved investing in silver and gold. Silver, I lost money. Gold, I didn't. I'll never forget that. So for me, silver is dead. The only time now I buy silver is if I think it's pretty and I want to own it. So having done every investment under the sun known to man, I don't hate any of them, but I know where the money is made. I'm no dummy.
Yep. It always comes down to, well, everybody's different. Everybody's doing it for a different reason, and different motivations. And so it's like, why do I savings account? It's a hobby. It serves multiple functions. It's a savings account, it's a hobby, it's fun, and it's a collectible. You can make it collectible, and you can make it I don't want to say investment, but I guess an investment.
Look, I mean,
You want to
I'm not a
dump it.
real big doomer and gloomer, but
And
I'll
then
tell you, I
if
would
you have
much rather,
to, you can just turn and burn it and dump it.
yeah, I would much rather be in a situation where I'd have to say to somebody, "Hey, I'll trade you 50 ounces of silver for a box of ammunition or food for a week or water or milk or whatever." I'd much rather be in a situation where I could say, "Hey, look, I'm going to give you something that's been around for 5,000 years. This crazy tyrannical government now that we now have is trying to fuck everybody on every level. So I'd rather give you gold or silver for that than a crypto or fiat paper dollars. At least you're in a position to have you have history on your side.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's perfect. I'm not saying that, they can't find a way
I'm gonna, Alan, though, I'm gonna venture to say that you'll be long dead long before it becomes down to that.
I hope so. I hope so, Mick.
Mike, maybe not. Me, I'll be dead with you.
Yeah.
But you and I are pussies. We're not surviving in that environment. Mike will be the guy that might stand a chance negotiating these
You're
matters.
only 10 years older than me. It's not like
I'm just saying, we're not the kind of, you got the guns. I don't think Alan has guns. And,
Yeah, I have guns. Yeah, I
well,
have guns.
it's just like, the thing with crypto.
I wasn't saying age. I meant like, yeah.
Yeah.
If the world goes crazy, I'm just gonna.
But
Oh yeah, no, I hear you, Mick. I know what you're saying.
like
Mick's
Alan,
in the same boat. None of us hope that that's the scenario, right?
Yeah, I hope not.
no, but if you're and zero,
All I'm saying, listen, I love the stacking and collecting. I just think, the market has served my role better, and that's where my heart is. I'll never leave it. It's I'm a firm believer in having to collect, but the thing is, the problem with that asset is it doesn't provide dividends. It doesn't appreciate the way I would hope it should. I think it should appreciate a little bit more than it actually is. So, even gold, it's just, I think it's a great place to park money. It's certainly better than Bitcoin all day long. But my fear is too much money there doesn't earn you any money, and that's where it becomes a bad investment. My opinion. Anybody want a line of Coke?
I'll take a 2-liter.
Let's do it.
Let's do it to it.
But that's the only argument I have, Mike, is that all that silver, that's not only putting you personally at risk by holding it, it's not earning you nearly as much as it could if it was in a balanced Vanguard fund, earning minimum 10% this year.
No, I understand that, but I've never bought metals to try to earn me money. That's never been my.
You're also, Mick, you know this, right? You're you're absolutely right about metals not having a dividend for sure, right? And you can make an argument about underperforming in over time periods, certain time periods, no question. But I think when the reality is one of the things about the counterparty risk and a lack of, and obviously, there's risk, right? It can be stolen or whatever. So it's not zero risk by any means. But in a situation where you end up having to kind of transact those metals between private parties, let's not kid ourselves. I mean, a big piece of that is taxation, right, Mick? And you know this. And while you're supposed to account for your gains and losses on your metals, probably 99% of people that are trading metals today are not engaging in reporting taxes whatsoever, right? They're not.
Yes, yeah, I
So,
concur.
so you also have to look at that from a perspective of over time, what is your tax exposure to your paper assets and assets in general, and and if the dynamic changes, it could definitely change whether you uh you know want to put more into metals or not versus paper assets. So there's also that I think that's a big reality.
And I totally agree with all of that. I think I was kind of building on the Mike's exact words, which, and I love that he does this. Mike views it as a savings. So anytime he puts a little money in silver, it's kind of cool because something arrives in the mail. You get to look at it, and then boom, it's a little money in a bank account. That's kind of fun to see, and I get that, and I've done it. I do it. I personally do it to this day. Blah blah blah. But all I'm saying is that same money invested into a mutual fund, over the same period of time, it's just gonna piss all over a silver investment. So I just think it's probably good to split whatever that allocation is. So if you're gonna, invest $2,000 a year, 10 grand, whatever it is, you got to put some in the market.
Well, I agree, and that's what it is. Like my silver and gold, it's kind of play money because I have a pension, I have a deferred compensation fund, and there's one other thing too, and so I know that's over there in the background, right?
But even what we call before cash, and before cash is even before you would ever tap that. So deep in your pockets personally with just cash. I mean, just build cash. I mean, honestly, if you're 40 and above and you don't have a couple of $100,000 sitting in investments, that's what you want to build to. I mean, before retirement, that's what you want to just keep putting money. I love silver, but all I'm saying is you gotta split any money you got that you're investing, whether it's pre-tax or after tax. Silver is the last thing that should be on that list.
Yeah, well, it's not. I've said this for years. It's not an investment. I've always told people the metals are not an investment.
Yep, I agree. It's
It's
just
The only thing I would say about silver, definitely less than gold, but silver almost has no downside risk at this point. It doesn't have necessarily a lot of upside risk.
It's
But
just protecting your
listen.
purchasing
I love
power,
it,
gentlemen.
and,
Right?
and here's a few observations I have actually. After I went through my whole collection, I parsed it down. I sold some bullshit, but some of my fine silver, like all of the Australian Philharmonics, they're very prone to either, spotting or that black, shit that just pops up. Even the prettiest of coins that I have, I mean, the funny thing is, if these coins are so beautiful and pretty, and you hang on to them for more than 5 years, I guarantee half of them, if not all of them, have some sort of, milk spot or black spot. And I'm telling you, I'll put a camera on my whole collection right now. It's ridiculous how much that plagues it. So the other thing is, so what are you really going to get for it when you really think it's worth something? It's just, the whole thing is just, at the end of the day, it's just fucking bullion. If you're buying silver, it's worth spot. If you're buying gold,
Oh, I agree with that.
spot.
Yeah, completely. You should always buy for spot. I agree, Mick. Should never pay premiums. Minimize the
You go
premiums.
straight. You can go straight bullion,
Yep.
or you can go straight
It don't matter. Yeah,
hardcore numismatic.
if you spend a premium on anything more, it's because you want to, and it's because you like.
Exactly. Yep. I mean, that's why people make fun of me about doorstops, but I buy doorstops because I'm totally buying the most extreme low premium silver that I can.
Yeah, and the funny thing is, when I jack your ass and I blast into your apartment, I'm going to steal your TV, I'm going to steal your microwave, I'm going to probably steal your ring off your nightstand, your iPhone, and I'm going to just forget that little block of shit sitting on the floor anyway.
And when it hits 50 again, you're gonna laugh in everybody's face.
Yeah.
Yeah, it hits 50 again, and I have $750,000 worth of silver.
If it goes to 50 and you sell it all, you're gonna laugh in everybody's face.
Yeah, I'm not counting on that happening, but you're right, Mike. I mean,
but it's happened.
Mick and Alan, do you believe this? Mick, you understand this? You know that allocation pie chart, right? And they say when you get to stocks, you have more money in stocks, and then we hit a certain age, you could diversify into bonds. Yeah, but why is the pie chart allocated at 3% or 5%?
Yeah, it's
right?
great.
Right? Nobody pays attention to that distribution pie chart
anymore. I'll tell you, what I love about gold too. It's I don't want to give away too many secrets in case the government is tracking us and somebody's going to come down with a helicopter and rob my empire. But my shit sits in a cookie jar that I had when I was a childhood.
I love it.
Like that's where I used to go to get, my nickname was Cookie Kevin. So I had this cookie jar on a shelf, and that's where all my gold is. It's all sitting in there.
Hey, maybe the Koreans were right. Remember when
it's
they make kimchi?
I should take a picture of it. It's funny.
Remember the Koreans buried their kimchi?
Jar. It's pretty retarded.
The Koreans buried their kimchi,
though, right?
And for a minute,
right, Gary. Koreans love gold. Japanese love gold. Chinese love gold. Russians love gold. It's just amazing. We're the fucking dumb country that doesn't like gold.
Look, the Chinese. Listen to this. The Chinese, the renminbi, and the yuan.
I have a lot of it. It's just I have a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, we're the big dummies over here.
Are Americans that stupid? Are we stupid?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, we are. We are beyond stupid.
People watch the Kardashians and go, "Oh my God, that's the greatest thing," and they buy all their products.
I have to admit, every once in a while, when I dump that cookie jar out and I look at it,
you do get a boner.
It definitely satisfies a primal need. I think, and Mike, I think you were trying to communicate that earlier. I think that's part of why we all do it, right? It's just knowing we have a little bit of wealth that we could just tuck in our pockets and go. But I'm not a big if guy, you know what I mean? I could give two shits about if. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to be more worried about, is there going to be bugs? Like, I don't have bug spray. Oh my God, my gold is so heavy. I don't want to carry it. I'll be that guy. And dead. Oh, fuck you, Chris. Why don't you join in, you little shit? Always a mouth, a silent mouth.
What have you been up to, Mick? You know? So, Olin, when are you gonna pull out the kilo bars, man?
What's that? Kilos?
Yes, I want to jack off to that stuff, man.
Dude, kilos? I mean, don't insult me, brother.
No, brother, I fucking bow down to you, man.
I don't do kilos, homie. You know that.
Yeah, I know.
I only do the 100 OZs, the door stops. I have a few kilos. But they're just for play. They're for
Wait,
hookers. They're for
how many
hookers.
ounces?
They're for hookers and blow on the weekends.
How many ounces is a kilo?
32.15.
So you're rocking. So what? You buy 300
Yeah.
is 100
3
ounces.
kilos basically for a doorstop.
100 OZs.
Yep.
Olin could go into a fucking strip club and make it fucking rain.
Well, I could.
know?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, but they would be hit. They would be killed because they'd be hit in the head with a
Exactly.
fucking
They'd be
kilo
dragged down
of
to the
metal,
basement.
and they would be dead.
They'd fall through
Olin
the
is a
fucking
real
floor.
nagger. He's a real nagger. He's a
I'm
player.
A old school nagger.
It's how hard do you want to go? You want to go hard, or you not want to go hard?
Man, I got real weight problems.
Well, it's a storage problem, is what it is. At this point in time.
Well, it's funny. It's like everybody complains about that, but that's such a bogus argument because I have almost 10,000 physical ounces of silver now, and it's still not even a quarter of my closet.
Yeah, but it's all in kilos. If you had it in 1 ounce,
yes, I know. If you're buying
like American
dumb shit,
Eagles
if you're
or something,
buying dumb shit like you are, Mike, you are correct.
I know it's very dumb. I understand. It's very, very dumb. I need to reinforce my fucking foundation.
I love it.
Yes, Harry, you need to get your shit right.
Where's Christy?
Get your shit right.
Is Christy coming
I'm
in?
gonna. It's gonna fall through the floor at one point in time. Listen to me, I have a gun safe full of guns and ammo, and then all my silver and crap all in the same like closet. And there's like a lot of weight right there. There's like thousands of pounds of weight right there. And
his guns are the biggest weight.
Well, it's gonna fall through the floor. I mean, my house was built in 1950. It's gonna just crash. I don't know what to do.
I'm with Mick, man. I just like licking cookie jars.
Cookie jars.
I keep licking the pink vag and get a sour taste. Those Colombian and Mexican women drive me nuts.
That's what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not a good. I gotta show some. Good.
Thank goodness I did not miss
Christy's coming in, by the way.
Christy's awesome, man. Christy's a legend.
Thank goodness I did, man.
You're poking fun of me for drinking.
11 and 12.
Christy should be making fun of you, Mick.
Hopefully he's not going to use that pussy excuse that, oh, my kids are up. It's noisy in the house.
Yeah, he is kind of a bitch, isn't he?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Yeah. Pretty sure if he could blow himself, we'd never see him on here.
Yeah, Christy has tortured this fucking yellow banana Jap.
Oh,
That white privilege, that Pearl Harbor revenge.
we need to get tacos in here to fucking degrade Gary.
Small penis jab.
Yeah, micro.
I admit
penis.
it.
Yeah, micro
Yep.
penis.
I admit it.
I love it. SPJ, man, it's just constant.
Where's
I tell
Gary?
women.
Is Gary in or out?
I know Gary's in here.
We got Gary, Harry. This is
Gary
a
and Harry.
Gary, Harry. Look at Gary, Harry.
Holy shit, Mike's got some fucking sexy bullion right there.
Yeah. So
Look at that.
we need Chris. Where's Chris?
Chris Deasy.
Yeah. Do we
Where's
have to
Silver
send
King
him
Pete?
like a link?
That's fucking
or
hot
is-
right there. 10 Troy ounces, ladies and gentlemen. U.S. assay.
I like that. That's nice.
That is a badass bar right there. Bad to the bone.
See, that's the only stuff to buy right there.
Yeah, I agree, man. That's the good shit right there.
That's it. What other bars?
Oh, there's
yes,
some
that was
fucking-
probably a bad investment.
There's some micro penis gold.
Chances are you lost money on that one.
That is micro penis gold.
But it's cute.
It's real cute under the Christmas tree. That's about it.
Do you have any other silver bars, Mike?
Holy shit.
That looks like a reserve. What is that? What is it? I can't see it. It's not focused, is it? I hope not. Okay. Oh. So Synopsis 70, I'll give you that. Official US Mint set. My God.
Look at that quarter. That's a quarter. Wow.
I like it. I feel like I'm in the Silver Coin Witch Blair project.
This is great, Mick. This is
What else? Show us some more stuff. What the earrings? Is that acid? Oh, I like that.
Yep, those are some grams.
Definitely
Maybe.
swallow those.
Yeah, that's like a
It's like microdot.
that's a Geritol pill.
Those are cool.
Yeah,
May I ask how much you paid for those?
$3,000. Don't ask, don't tell.
Does he not hear us anymore?
I don't know. His audios must be off. I don't hear him. Do you hear me, Mick? Can you hear me? Hello?
Harry.
Loud and clear, sir.
That's the best coin right there.
Can you hear me, Mick?
Do you hear me now?
Can you hear me,
Right in the
Mick?
middle.
Are
I
you
can hear
telling me you
Mike.
don't-
Mike, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can you hear me, Mick?
Tad.
Mick is fucking out of bounds.
Hear me.
So no Christine? I guess the wife said no?
Gary the Jap is in here.
Mick, how many bottles
gonna
of
call
wine did you
her.
drink tonight?
Chris, you want me to give her a call?
Does anybody hear me?
I hear you, Harry.
Yes,
Okay.
loud and clear, over and
I'm
out.
Cleasy.
Okay. Thank you.
Mick is the one who's in fucking Treasure Island. Snake Island.
Hey, Mick, how's that yoga coming? Right?
Yoga. Fuck yoga.
Holy shit. Love Gary's mad troll skills.
I learned from the best. I learned from the best.
Absolutely, brother. You know, I got fucking 12 volumes
Where's the unit?
on the library here. Where is the
I
unit?
give praise to all those white
I'm
people
telling you,
who
Mike,
teach this
that New
jab.
York Yankees slab coin
It's hard work, Gary. It's really hard
is
work.
probably one of the most valuable coins in your collection. There's no doubt that would sell
I couldn't find it.
for a
Edgar,
premium.
please.
Come on, Harry, throw that 5-ouncer up there.
I don't hate 5-ounce what?
What?
That Libertard right there.
This one?
Right.
Dude, that is sweet.
Listen, I got another
Yeah,
one.
man.
I got another one coming in the mail. And I'm gonna have the complete set. So I have the antique, the BU.
This must be a fucking $50 video.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that. So here's
Is there a coupon? Is there a coupon
no,
involved?
there's no
shit,
coupon
man.
code.
That's the one that,
Do I get
that's the
free
moneymaker
toothpaste
right
with
there.
this shit?
So I got the reverse
Oh, fuck me hard.
proof, the BU, and the antique,
The other
and
ones are a store of value.
then have the proof Monday.
And Chris
Well,
is
it'll
a
be
pussy.
four.
Where is he?
Well, he doesn't come into rooms.
Nice.
15 ounces, bitch.
It's bad.
That I overpaid. You know how much this costs?
$2,000.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Gary's
But the
mortgage.
crazy thing is,
That
if you had to
cost
sell
Gary's
those,
mortgage for a year and
you're
a
only
half.
going to get a spot.
That's over
No
400.
shit. No shit, Alan.
That is fucking
Maybe a little
ass
more from the
raping
reverse.
right
Chris.
there.
You might be
These are
able
like
to
100 and
Take
like
your
on
corn
average,
back.
these are like $130 a piece.
Shit.
Do you know how much rice I have to grow in the paddy fields to make up that premium?
See, I don't know.
Holy shit, man.
Do you know how many pork fried rice and egg rolls I have to
You know how
sell?
many Shogun swords you could buy with that?
Well,
Fuck.
what do you want me to do about it?
Holy shit. Harry Carey, man. That's hard.
Listen, I don't have any kids, and I don't have any like ex-wives. You know what I mean?
Also known as we're not dumb.
Hey, you
Well,
got
I don't
double
want
here.
to be mean to anybody, but yeah,
Yeah, I do.
yeah. Well, okay.
You don't want me to bust out the Jap shit.
What?
Mike can verify the Jap shit I have.
That
Right?
you're
Yep,
Mike,
serious Jap shit.
Oh, the shit that you. Oh, yeah, it's
Oh,
retarded.
yeah, he's got
dude.
all these fucking swords and
No,
shit.
no, no,
Mike,
no.
listen to the tube to the right.
It's
by your
retarded.
keyboard.
What Gary has,
It
it's like
looks like
I
it's
don't even.
copper.
It's like a museum, dude.
It is, man. Gary
It's
is
a tape.
a fucking Shogun warrior.
it's Tule Lake. It's concentration camp. You know.
Yep. Yep.
Is that silver?
I think half of what he has is actually illegal to own.
Probably is.
You know how many Chinese and Filipinos I had to enslave to get this shit? You know.
Right?
Oh, man.
It's like a
No
chunky
wonder they hate
table.
us. The Filipinos, the
Sure.
Chinese, they hate us.
Is that a
know?
needle? Yeah, I see a needle. Yeah, needle. Definitely spoon.
I love Vic, man. I fucking love Vic.
Mick, have you bought a video yet?
This guy
Oh,
just floats
oh,
in the fucking
nice to
universe,
snack.
man.
Oh,
Mick
Yeah,
is never fucking disappointed.
Wait,
He
it's
makes
too
me
close.
laugh
I can't
so
see it.
much.
What are you guys talking
Dude.
about?
okay, hold on. That's cool.
Boom. See, I get these because it's got the number.
Fucking little piece of gold in a
Well,
big
I
car.
know. I don't give a
Flip it
fuck.
around.
But it's
What's the
got the
back look
serial
like?
number on the bar, and it's got the same serial number on the card. That's what I care about. Because you're not gonna, you're
Too
not
close to
gonna.
the camera.
Well, I know, but it's not gonna. They're not gonna be fake.
All right.
And
that
fake
was
that,
pretty.
man.
Well, it takes too much time to fake that. You're not gonna make any money if you put the number on the bar and the number on the card. You know what I mean?
If you're gonna buy bars, Pamper the way to go.
Well, this is first of all, it's a Pam Suisse. And so, you know, same number on the card. It's the same number on the bar. Because the people get the most counterfeit shit is gold, right? Because that's where the profit margin is. You're not going to counterfeit silver at $14 an ounce. You're going to counterfeit gold at $1,300 an ounce.
What's each one of those worth?
Huh?
Harry, sell all your shit and buy cryptos because it's the world.
No, I'm not into it.
How many grams in an ounce?
30.
Anybody?
There's like 31.
Any smart people out there?
It's about 31 grams in an ounce.
Apparently not. All right. Any comments in the peanut gallery? No one's got a smart ass comment to that answer.
Yeah, there's nobody out there.
So how many grams in an ounce? Who's Googling it? Who's fast? Who will come up with it?
Can you not hear me?
Chris?
All right, I just dropped a note in Snooze Units Hangout. He just started a hangout. I said, get in Harry Henderson's hangout now.
Chris got nothing. That's why I totally shut this down.
Does anybody hear me?
Yeah, I hear you, Mike.
Yes.
Does Gary hear me? Does Mick, do you hear me?
No, Mick will talk to himself for 18
Sorry, bro.
years straight.
Well,
No,
Mick is
nobody had the
literally
answer.
talking
I had the
to
answer,
a
but I'm
mirror,
not going to
Mike.
share it.
He's talking to himself in a mirror.
It's just annoying.
Mick drinks a bottle of
You
water
cannot
and has a
make this
conversation.
shit
hey, Alan, send Unit a link.
All right. Well, where do I get your link? Hold on here.
Well, I don't know.
Wait, I got you. Hold on.
I'll put it here.
Yeah, I got you.
I'll put it there.
This is too much, man.
Because he has so many names. I don't even know where
Dave
he
is
is anymore.
ridiculous. Crypto faggot. Crypto.
Well, he has
douche.
like 5,000 freaking, YouTube names.
Yeah, he's completely out of control.
Somebody call Rocky. We need to. You guys
Well, I
have
don't
to
even
get that
think he's
old
alive.
game.
I think he died a long time ago. Nobody knows where he is. Oh, what else do I have? Although, I'd prefer not to buy. Let's see if we can see this. 69 quarter ounce gold eagle. It was probably, I think the only reason why I bought it is it must have been on like a sale or something, because I'd usually just go for a 5 or for a 70 proof. And I wouldn't normally buy just the regular one. Ozark River Whiz. Yeah, it's all right.
What is it? That looked like a big silver blob. You gotta back stuff off the camera, bro.
Well, I have to do it. I have to do it to focus. It has to focus, so I have to put it up close.
Too close.
No, I know, but I have to do it to
Further.
to get it to focus.
There you go.
Yeah, but I have to put it up there so
That's cool. What, Rock Island.
Not. Yeah, that's. Those are okay.
I'm gonna have to jerk off quick. Apparently.
Nothing super special.
What else you got?
Block Island. That's the same thing. This one's.
Telling you that Yankees slab is the best thing right there.
Ozark Riverways.
Too close.
I know. I have to fucking do it to focus it.
Those are 5 ounces, right? Yeah.
I
like that one.
I'm trolling.
Back it up a little bit more. That thing is fucking huge. Yeah. I like it.
It's an ATB
It's
right
got
there.
cool details. It's got the big head, right? Yeah, the big fucking George head.
Big fucking George Washington
Yeah.
cop.
I know. They're so big.
Yeah,
You know what's
not
funny?
my thing, but I like that one.
If you put it next, here's the Libertard.
You love a big knob, Mick.
Look at the difference. Those are both 5 ounces.
Those are the best.
Look at the size difference because the ATBs are so thin. They make it, so it makes it look so much wider.
That's
But
cool on that shit, right?
These are both 5 ounces, though.
Both 5 ounces, yeah.
You know, it's just that it's just that the
I get it.
Libertard is way fatter than the ATB.
You could choke a lamb on both of them.
That's why they call the ATB hockey pucks, you know, because they're fucking. You just kick them around.
Did somebody invite the sleaze unit?
I thought Alan did. What? I thought Alan was doing that. He was trying to, or something.
Chris?
No, Chris doesn't join rooms. Or very rarely he will.
Christy hates
What's
yellow
the
people.
Chris spell?
See that? Oh, 1993. Sometimes I buy these 10th ouncers. And they send you a random date. That's 5. Shit. And that's a 93. Yeah, this might be. Honestly, this might be the most ridiculous thing I've ever bought. There's one other thing I have. What the fuck is it? It's something that's colored. I can't remember exactly what it is, but it's in the same line of this, and it's like, oh my god, really? But it's cool. Look at that. She's hot. In the back of the reverse, I like because it's not. The queen doesn't take up the entire. This will fuck the entire field.
Hey, Mike, he's under crypto. He's broadcasting under Crypto News Unit tonight.
Oh,
He wants a link.
well, you give him the link. You have it.
Can't my mobile phone? I can't seem to get your link.
Well, I don't know how to do. How do I give it to him?
You have to do a. Or you can just drop it. Can you copy it and drop it in his chat on his Hangout?
On Crypto News Unit?
Yeah, Crypto News Unit.
Oh my god! Well,
He's a fucking nightmare.
This is
tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to Bitcoin
There he
Baptist
is.
Church.
This is
I'm
going
going
to
to
be
the
an
Bitcoin
experiment.
Baptist Church tomorrow.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, the fucking Bitcoin Baptist Church. What a fraud.
Baptist Church? That was the Crypto News Unit. What are you talking about?
What a fraud, man.
You better give me a donation for that.
You can't make that shit up.
You better give me a donation. I'm sick of cryptos, man. I'm tired of this shit.
Oh, we're sick of you talking about cryptos.
I'm sick of myself talking
You're
about it. Are you
fucking
kidding
wearing
me?
us out, man. You're fucking like bleeding out of the fucking ears listening to your bullshit every day. I mean, it's just nonstop, and the cryptos are just going nowhere, Dave. Day after day after
Well,
day.
here's the thing. I had to look into some of these clowns.
I mean, well, but why, Dave?
Well, because they're all a bunch of devils. That's why I like to. I like to play with the devils.
Then you're associating with devils.
No, I like to ruffle their fucking pitchforks around and send them right back to hell where they came from.
Oh my god!
And you know, they're all a bunch of scammers and these psychics and all the rest of that crap. And oh my god!
Hello.
You know, that woman. She was pissing me off today. I had to get her. She shut me down. It's just thought, you know.
Well, I got royally booted on Rosie. Let me tell you.
Really?
Oh, I lay into them.
Holy shit! You mean you weren't so nice after all?
No, I went full retard. Schmiggy was in there, and it just became a free for all.
Oh, I was in there for just a moment, then I left.
I saw you.
I didn't see all the shit go down.
I said, Rosie, congratulations on exploiting your your tranny fake girlfriend, Missy Jen, for her multiple sclerosis.
Boy, you guys are really
Oh yeah, I
YouTube
just
terrorists.
ripped her up and down.
You
And her
white people are
mods,
cruel.
Her mods blew
You
me out of
white
there.
people are cruel.
Oh yeah, man. It got real ugly, Dave.
Well, how the hell is this community ever going to get together again on?
Yeah, well, we're all one, Dave. All is one.
I guess. I don't think they'll ever have any problems. They seem to get a hell of a lot of views over there.
They're all scammers, and I called them out for that, and I got booted.
Yeah, you'll never.
I said, yeah, you keep running these chooches down in Oakland, exploiting all these homeless people and mocking them every day for fucking e-begging. Oh, you fucking all in gold, you cocksucker. You know, I'm like, what do you mean? You're fucking going down here exploiting these poor homeless people for views, you fucking tranny hooker. Oh, I laid her out, Dave.
You think that's what they're doing?
What do you mean? Do I think that's what she's doing?
And you see this guy in Chicago now? This
She's been
Elvis?
doing that for months on end.
I couldn't believe this Elvis guy in Chicago today.
Come on,
Running
guys. Come on, guys.
Yeah, you're right.
Come
Everybody's
on,
making money.
guys.
It's all a bunch of shit. The whole YouTube thing is a crock of shit. You know, YouTube is full of shit. Did you see that fucking little bitch 14-year-old kid playing games? Cocking off all day?
Let me tell you something, Dave.
Huh?
YouTube is Satan's stinkhole.
Yeah, you're right.
YouTube is Satan's stinkhole.
It
doesn't
really
get
is.
any worse. And you see that little tranny, that Soph.
You know, you're right. This is the rectum of the fucking devil.
You think hell is bad? Stick your finger in Satan's asshole and smell that.
This is where they're eating the poo-poo every day. They eat that poo-poo. They're eating the poo-poo on this YouTube every day, eating it.
Eat the fucking poo-poo.
And they eat it like ice cream all over the place, right?
Yeah, you think this is bad? Stick your fucking pinky in Satan's ass.
Pretty much, you're right. I agree with that 100%. That's exactly what this is.
Hey, sell your soul for the almighty dollar in the sub, baby. Sell your soul. That's the name of the game.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Fuck it.
It's ridiculous.
I'll tell you, I'll troll your dead grandmother.
You would, too.
I really would.
And I'd praise you. I'd bow to you.
Oh,
You know? I'd bow to you.
The top trolls that fucking YouTube. One thing for sure.
Oh, shit. Man.
One thing about you trolls, though, you guys actually shake up the devil.
I'm a fucking Jap all the way, motherfuckers.
Oh, man.
You ever read the 47 Ronin? I'll fucking kill.
You guys got hope for you because the devil hates you. You know?
I will pump and troll your dead grandmother.
And if you dig her up and come on her, I'll love you even more. I'll bow to you, man.
I'll tell you.
Hey, I want to see the nipple slip. Is that still available, or did they take
the
it?
Dorito nipple slip. Let me tell you, that is a real devilish scam fraud going on over there, Dave.
Yeah.
That is a real wicked scheme, and I am blowing it up. Every one of those mods are all these tranny-loving freakazoids. They're blocking me left and right.
Robots, please report to the dance floor. Bum, 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 freakazoids.
But I'll get them, Dave. Trust me, I'll get them.
I'll be a freakazoid. Come on.
Mick Silver, Dave.
Mick, are you on the channel?
Hello.
Oh, Mick's on the channel.
Mick Silver is in the house.
Attention. We haven't talked to Mick Silver in years. Now, he was in the chat a couple times. I saw him, but he never came in to talk.
Right.
What up, Mick? Can you hear us?
I don't know, man. He's a little sketched out, man.
So here I am on Henry Henderson's channel, like I used to where I started. Now I'm back where I started.
That's the original. This is the original, baby.
I came full circle again.
Hi, Dave.
What's up? What were you called again with your old name? I don't even remember it.
I don't remember.
Come on, you
A
remember.
long time ago.
Oh, yeah. It was just.
FT ideas, baby.
That's right. FT ideas. Yeah.
Yeah. It didn't mean anything.
By the way, my 5 to 7 inch snowfall didn't happen at all.
You got
We had
5-point micrometers.
Yeah, we didn't even get nothing to even land on the truck. There were a few snowflakes and it ended in like 10 minutes.
It's snowing there?
No, there was actually a winter storm. Boy, did they blow the map up, and then they started taking them down, you know? They had winter storm warnings and advisories out, and then they started shaving the counties. Before you knew it, our county was downgraded from a winter storm warning to a winter weather advisory, then nothing at all. And then they kept shaving the amount of snowfall from 6 to 12 to 5 to 10 to 4 to 8 to 5 to 7 to 3 to 6, 3 to 5, 1 to 3.
Holy shit. Hillbilly must have been pissed.
Yeah, I called him today. I should. He's.
Yeah,
Listen. No, I'm going to leave him. I'll tell you what. He's on the verge of doing something.
Well, he's always on the verge.
No, he actually is starting to talk real full. He's drinking now. I believe he is too.
Oh yeah. Well, he's been saying he has been.
And he might actually come over here and blow me away. I better be careful with him. You know what I mean? You know, I might be sitting here and he'll come with a shotgun and put it right through the fucking window.
What a fucking story. What a story.
No, I'm not kidding. You know.
All right, give him a call, man. We need to know what's up.
No, we're not going to give him a call.
We need a hillbilly update.
Enough. And you know, he's getting goofy. No, he's getting goofy. He's gonna kill himself too, or kill somebody else.
Please tell us you kicked that bitch out for the last time.
Well, she walked out and never came back. So.
Oh, she is such a nightmare. God, don't let her back in, Dave. Please don't let her back in.
I don't know how I'm going to recover. God. I'll tell you what. I am so stressed out and fucked up right now.
Oh my God.
I don't know where I'm at with this, and it's like. I tell you what, man.
Stay strong, man. Stay strong. That is a devil beyond devils.
Anybody have a goat we could fuck?
Goat.
A goat.
Jesus.
I got devils from everybody around here now, and it's all over the place. It's ridiculous. I got devils from Billy Hillbilly.
You better go naked, John.
Billy's
gotta go naked, John.
Really wacko. I mean, he's really getting wild now. And he said he's going to get the fucking M16 out and shoot everybody in Partyville now. His brother, you know, remember how he told us that his brother was the one that was giving arms and ammunition to David Koresh at the compound?
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah.
You know, for all I know, that could be true.
I hope it is, man.
I hope they come down on this motherfucking spot over here and take them all out, the FBI, honest to God. You know, because there's some real motherfuckers in this county that need to be stopped. I don't know all the details behind who's who around here, but I've heard the rumors. I just didn't really pay close attention to it. But there's a big cabal around here of bullshit going on, you know.
Let me tell you something, Dave. I was texting that the ex-girlfriend.
Yeah.
The ex-girlfriend at this point. She's in Hawaii now, and she tells me she's shopping and that she had to drive 40 miles to shop where she was shopping.
Yeah.
And then we're texting back and forth, and she sends me a text saying, "You need to pay more attention. I told you I had to drive 40 miles."
Oh, excuse me.
Like, that's why I didn't respond to you in 10 minutes. And I said, you know what? Go fuck yourself. Oh, shit. She goes, that's it. We're done.
Well, good.
Yeah,
she'll be back.
A million times.
Mm-hmm.
What a bunch of dingbats.
See? The pink vag.
I'll tell you what, I've been stared at for too long with no answers and to my questions. It's like, what?
Oh, you kidding me? I mean, this is... And that's even worse than that fucking dingbat that I've been talking to. I mean,
well, they're all dingbats.
Yeah, I mean, 1,000 mile stare, man.
They just, it's They're all confused. They don't know. The problem is they don't know what they want. They're all confused, and they don't know what they're doing.
Yeah.
And so they're. It's like they're grabbing at straws all day long.
Well, I mean, Dave, the one that Dave's dealing with is a worse situation. That's real chemical dependency slash brain damage from methamphetamine.
Well, they're so like. First of all, they have a very, very low self-esteem, and they do weird things to get attention.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And then they get attention, but then they don't like the attention.
Mick Silver does really weird things to get attention.
Well, yeah, I mean, everybody does.
Come on, Mickey.
I want people pay attention to me, please.
Oh man, it's terrible. It is terrible.
And will you pay attention to me? Look at what I'm going to do an unboxing of this piece of crap. Will you pay attention to me?
Oh, that is a hot panda.
Oh, it's sex is what that is.
That is sex magic right there. Woo.
I have to click on it so it doesn't keep flipping.
That's
A 2000. Oh, that's like
that's an MS-70.
That's like $50. Oh, baby, dude.
Yeah,
oh,
man.
Look out. That's a game changer right there.
That is a game changer.
I mean,
Game
if you're gonna fucking
over.
If you're gonna call your I mean, I don't know what you're doing, but this is what I'm doing.
Look at that fucking hot keyhole right there.
Oh, it's a hole, right? All right.
Yeah, that is fucking epic.
It's a deep hole.
Yeah, man. Newsy, you got to get back to the fucking grindstone here, man.
I like
What? Buying more coins and shit?
like
You got to get off this crypto nightmare you've been on for the last 4 years. Oh my god.
Well, the market's down and all that now, so who
Oh,
knows?
the market's down and everything. So come back to Jesus.
No, but like Alan, seriously, I do like this design.
Oh, that is a good one. Yeah, it's a new one. Yeah, 2019.
Yeah,
That's hot. Yeah, that's hot.
I don't know what it was, like $25.
Well, I believe that silver will go from where it is. What is it now? 14 down to 7, and then down to 3.
It's 15.
It'll be down to 3.5, then it'll be down to 1.5, and it'll be down to 50 cents.
What about the cryptos?
Like
what
that,
about
like I do.
Cardano, Dave? I mean, you know.
All
Nobody
that
gets a
goes down
view
the
like
price.
that, like me. You're not going to see that anywhere else on my channel.
All that shit's going to go down to fractions of a penny on the cryptos.
Wow.
You know that.
I mean, that's
I need a goddamn hillbilly update.
All these markets are going to implode except for the Trump market, whatever that is.
pornography.
Fuck Trump, man.
You fuckers don't understand if the algos control the world.
Trump.
They
gets
do.
to
I
our
do understand,
motherfucking cock.
I believe it, but I just don't understand how it all works.
Did you watch Trump's speech tonight?
No, but he was in Green Bay, Wisconsin,
It
of all
was
places.
amazing. It was a boner session. Dude, it was awesome.
Really. And the cryptos are crashing as we speak, by the way, just so you guys know.
Outstanding. What a fucking shithole.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, what a cesspool, Dave.
And I don't know. I'm just watching these guys for, I guess, entertainment, but it's beginning to get under my skin because the entertainment part of it's gone now. It's just annoyances. It's just.
Well, I mean, you keep trying to, kind of befriending some of these cocksuckers like Brandon and Buddy, and I mean, it's just, I don't, Buddy, they're okay and all, but I mean, they're just knee deep in the shit, Dave. They are just knee deep in the shit.
Not Brandon. He's sort of like, I don't know.
Kidding
Maybe
me?
Yeah, that's right. He's got that Kraken account. He was like financial. He said he had investors, remember?
Dave, he has 26 dogs.
22 now.
And they're screaming. Dave, he screamed today for 20 minutes straight, threatening to kill several of them.
I know, I get it.
Are you kidding me? You think you have a problem with Ariel K?
What is this YouTube? It's the devil's asshole.
It's the devil's stink hole.
Yeah. It really is. It's the devil's pie hole.
I mean, it is so bad.
There's not a damn thing good on here, really. I know.
And Dave, I go on Rosie. All Rosie now does is talk about me.
She showed, yeah, I heard her say, this is Alan Gold's car. This is Alan Gold's car on the street.
Yep,
Did you see that?
Alan Gold, it's constant.
She can't get you out of her mind.
I got under her fucking big titties in 2 seconds. Her big titties.
You got behind the Doritos, huh?
Oh man, it's just hilarious.
How was the nipple slip?
Oh yeah,
by
that
the
was
way.
classic. Yeah, I didn't see it, but
No, you didn't see it, huh?
no, there ain't nothing there, Dave. That's all so fake.
Nipple slip.
Yeah, there was a nipple slip, I guess, on one of the girls.
I didn't see a nipple slip.
Yeah, well, you don't want to. Trust me, when you see that fucking freight train, Mike,
Nip slip.
that is not something you want to see. Oh my God.
You want to see Heidi Chacos, don't you?
Oh Jesus.
You like her?
I'd rather see Hoy on coins.
Or what about Isabel?
I miss Hoy on coins.
Oh, yeah. You like Isabel and Heidi Chacos?
Isabel. Are they the same person?
The Dash Girls. Those Dash Girls I was showing
Oh,
you.
no.
the other day.
Isabel's terrible, Dave. That little Southern American bitch.
Yeah.
No tits, all thin.
Isn't that something? No tits. Yeah.
Zero.
Absolutely. She's flat as a board, man.
Yep. Terrible.
Now, Crypto Tips, the Christian one, she's nice. To 5'10".
Yeah. She's just no personality, though.
Yeah,
Dave.
she's
Big fat
cool.
zero.
Look, you pay attention to those third tier retards. I'd rather eat out Maxine Waters than watch that shit.
Oh shit, man!
Oh man,
that's
rough.
I'd rather go down on Diane Feinstein.
Eat the poo-poo, eat the poo-poo. And poo-poo comes out, and
Dave,
he
let me
eats the
tell
poo-poo
you,
all over the place.
Let me tell you, Gary loves fucking going down on James Brown.
Oh, man.
I feel good.
You might as well go down on Senator Feinstein right away, too.
Holy shit.
How would you
Gary.
like to have that witch looking back at you?
That is fucking epic, brother.
Oh, man.
Feinstein, Jesus
Commit
Christ,
suicide
man.
before.
Oh, fuck, man. You'd rather fucking stick your dick in a skeleton, man.
You know, I learned something, though. They want you to lick the taco, but they won't.
Well,
You know,
Dave, that's the kind of whore
Bullet
you've been
in my
hanging
head.
out with. You're
What's
hanging
up
out
with
with
Somebody kill me. Diane Feinstein? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Will you please kill me?
Can you imagine that?
I mean, like,
Dave's been hanging out with a fucking devil whore who's just fucking succubus, who just fucking she doesn't want to do anything other than just be served.
dude, these people are mental cases.
Shame on you, Dave.
It's bad.
Did you watch Trump's speech tonight?
Nope.
It was really good.
Let's play it.
Well, I mean, it's like 45 minutes long.
Yeah, he's a little wordy. He's fucking talking about himself all day.
We're not going to be socialist, you know. No, it's real.
Oh yeah, he likes to talk a bunch of bullshit, man.
Well, I mean, it's true though, but we can't be socialist, dude.
I don't believe him because when he gets next to Feinstein, he starts sucking up to her.
You played that today, Dave.
Yeah, man.
Why would he suck up to Feinstein though?
He's like, I think we have to do something, Diane.
He was kissing their ass about guns, and he took the bump stocks and all that.
No, he
Man.
fucking made 4 different comments about the Second Amendment in that speech.
I don't care what he did recently. I've been watching him like a hawk. This guy will.
I'm talking about today. I'm talking about today.
Yeah,
He
well,
said
today
they're never going to take.
tomorrow
They're never
it'll
going
be
to take
different.
apart
Yeah,
the Second
tomorrow it'll be
Amendment.
different. He's so full of shite.
Oh, come on, Alan. No, he's not.
Listen, if some big thing happened and 45 people got shot somewhere here pretty soon, again, they'll take the guns.
We gotta do something.
But that's the local people. That's because they're all niggers, and the local people take the guns away.
I don't believe Trump. I don't believe him for one fucking second anymore.
And they're like, we have.
You all? I'm with you
I
on
don't.
that
Oh,
one.
I don't. You know me, Dave.
Yeah, you guys are both clowns.
Sounds like Mike dropped into the mega church there.
Oh, I don't belong to any church.
No, you're
I-
by default in it now. So
I'm in the.
I still have
church of
faith
one.
in white people. I still have faith in white
We
people.
need tacos, Dave.
I don't want any Chinamen around me at all.
I'm telling you, Trump is a fucking Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde. He is.
I agree.
He will talk tough with the NRA people and the MAGA people. And tomorrow, if something happens, he'll be snuggling up next to. He'll be eating out Senator Feinstein.
It's gonna be a great. It's great. It's a great deal. It's a great deal.
Can you imagine licking that sandpaper, Dave?
Wow.
It's gonna be a great deal.
Mexican
I
water
think I'm
is
actually-
very, very good.
I think I'm actually suffering sickness.
Oh shit, man! You're infected.
Who's got the sandpaper?
You've already been infected, Dave.
It's horrible, man.
Man, what
I should never. I was better off like I was celibate for 25 years.
Yeah, you made a horrible, horrible mistake with that.
Dave, just go
Sandpaper.
gay and try the other way, man. Just
Yeah.
try it.
No, I wouldn't do that. Maybe I'll become a priest though. That might be an idea.
That'll work. Yep.
Son of a bitch.
I can say the mass all the time and they'll love me, and still have a woman on the side.
Yep. Or a little boy, Dave.
Well, I don't want to do that, but you know.
Hey, molest Boy Scouts. You'll be praised.
That's
You know?
You can't say that.
Hillbilly's nuts, man. I'm telling you.
Oh, I love Hillbilly.
He's totally. Should we call him?
Yep.
Hillbilly Deluxe.
Let's get him fired up, Dave.
Oh, he's gonna be totally.
Oh, he is
fucking
gonna be
nuts.
torqued, man.
Quick, pick him up,
Don't
trucks.
call me anymore.
Oh, he's totally fucking
I'm
losing it.
pissed at you.
He's bad.
Oh my god.
Gary loves Hillbilly.
That's gonna be really bad.
Of course it's gonna be bad. What do you want? Stop calling me! You motherfucker! Fuck you!
It's gonna be.
I'm sorry, the person.
He's gonna really lose it.
You mother.
Please enjoy the music while your party is reached.
Please leave a message after the tone. You son of a bitch! I don't fucking like you.
What?
Billy, I'm worried about you. You're drinking too much. We got to stop this.
Fuck you. I'm going to kill somebody.
Why? Why do you want to do this?
I'm gonna shoot you in the face.
Why do you want to do this, Billy?
I'm beating the shit out of her right now.
Who? I don't know which one.
I'm beating the shit out of her.
Are you?
Call her again, I will beat the shit out of her more.
But I mean, the drinking's got to stop, though, right? Because it's not good, is it? You're just getting meaner.
Well, I mean, you're not gonna stop by now.
Billy, you got to hang out with the boys some more. You know what? We got to get back on track. We got to
Stop
enjoy
beat-
the summer.
Billy, stop beating her. No more beating, Billy.
Even Olin says so.
No more beating. Just beat you. You can only beat yourself.
You know, we got to get back to having fun, doing videos, shooting the shit. You know what I mean?
You can only beat off yourself.
Right, Billy? Don't you agree with me?
Oh shit.
Hey, Billy.
He's whooping some ass, Dave.
Billy, wake up. Don't beat her up. You going to feed her to pigs?
Oh shit.
I think he had a heart attack.
Billy, you all right?
He
And
shoved the corn dog up his
Are you
ass
all
and
right,
it
Billy?
came.
'Cause I'm
Oh
worried
my
about
God,
you
we're
drinking.
watching the
Yeah,
tragedy.
I'm all right.
Well, all right then. I want to make sure you're all right. Don't be drinking anymore, all right?
Why not?
yeah,
Because you get mean.
well, he's old, so what's the point?
Why? What's wrong with it?
Kick me up.
You used
You're
to
burning me too much.
like to hang out to me now. Now all of a sudden what, Dennis?
Drinking till I die. Do 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 do.
Billy, what do you got to say?
Drinking,
Seriously.
drinking till I die.
Leaving Las Vegas is my Bible.
I think
You know?
Oh, what a my favorite movie
wait a
of all
minute.
time.
Gary's in here. I think Gary should send you those fuck movies that he promised. Remember?
Yeah, I've thought about that. I'm like,
What do you think, Billy? Would that be the right thing to
yeah,
do?
maybe that's a good idea.
Billy,
That motherfucker.
are you all right?
He's dead.
I am worried about him. I don't want him drinking. He wants to drink too much.
I'm
now.
all right.
Okay.
Leave me alone. I try to sleep.
Yeah, but we're supposed to be friends.
No
You don't,
more.
have, you don't have any
No
friends,
more,
Dave.
Why not, Billy? Why not?
Dave, you don't have any friends.
Oh, he hung up. That's
No
it.
more.
No
I
more.
love Hillbilly.
He's great. Hillbilly's got it made. He never had to work, really. You know.
Nope, never.
He said he worked in Waco. I don't believe that.
No, nobody believes that.
And then, he just did everything he wanted to. I don't know what the hell it was. Was he like, they got him on Social Security? How can you get on Social Security if you never paid into it?
Yeah, look, you just walk around with drool out of your left side of your mouth and you're good to go.
He never paid into Social Security, and he's
Never, Dave.
Playing.
You wonder
And,
why
we
America's
paid, and
fucked.
I paid in hundreds of thousands of dollars in the Social
Yeah, and you wonder why America's fucked.
and
Dave.
I'm not eligible to get any Social
That's
Security.
correct, Dave.
Wait a minute.
Hillbilly is living high on the hog.
Wait, he gets Social Security,
Yes, he does.
but he doesn't pay into
SSI.
it.
SSI, Mike. Disability.
Yep. And he
But-
never paid a penny.
He's been a disabled
But Dave
fucking
doesn't
rat
get it.
bag for 57 years.
Why not? That's such a joke.
It is a joke.
Exactly.
Oh, fucking stupid.
He's running around hollering and
They
getting
want to
drunk
fucking. It's a handout for retards and fucking people,
exactly.
and people that work get fucked in the ass.
Yep, we get fucked in the ass.
I get fucked in the ass.
Our country fucks us, and Trump is not making America great again. Don't give me that.
Yeah, we're not cutting assholes like Hillbilly off the rolls.
He's not making it great again. I don't give a fuck what anybody says.
Fuck
I mean, I
Trump.
like that Trump is in there, and
What?
No, I don't. Fuck Trump.
you don't even like he's in there anymore, huh?
No. Are you kidding me?
Who the hell?
Yeah, but it's that. What are you talking about, dude? The fucking stock market's out of control. Like the
Yeah,
economy
that's
is.
all he cares about. He pumps the stock market every tweet. Pump.
Thank you.
pump.
Yeah.
Thank
so
you.
What do you
He's a
want? So what do you
scumbag.
want then? What do you want?
I just want a president who fucking actually focuses on policy and doesn't sit there and talk about the
But
stock
what
market. every day.
what policy?
Well, that's his problem. He doesn't know policy.
But what policy do you want them to focus on?
Actually, let's see. Eliminating Medicare, Social Security, government in general.
Yeah, but they can't. They can't do that.
Well, I know,
They
of course they can't. That's the problem.
They are government. They can't eliminate themselves.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. I know.
Yeah, you know what? Everything's going to hell in a
We got a real problem, Dave.
I think Jeremiah Baby might be right. But
Don't even, Dave. Don't even.
think he's right?
Don't even. Show Mike that picture.
Oh, yeah.
Are
Mike,
you kidding me?
Are you ready to get cozy, Mike?
Please. I'm licking Maxine Waters' vag just thinking about that picture. Please.
Let's see here. Let me pull this off of here like this. And then go like
This is your worst nightmare.
How the hell am I going to show you a picture here? I got to go. I'm not used to doing it from the outside in. Is it Jeremiah Baby? Jeremiah was a baby.
Jeremiah was a bullfrog.
He had a little doggy mind. I bet that dog sucks his wiener, doesn't he?
Oh, Dave, that's just the beginning of what that dog does.
Yeah. Let's see if I can do this. Can I do this? How the hell do you do this on the outside in? Screen share, okay. Where are you, baby? Oh, you can't do it in the same browser. I gotta make a fucking. What the hell is this now? Hold on. So I gotta pull this off and make it a different fucking. Here we go.
I think we're going to have to go transition to a news unit broadcast.
Oh, here we go. It's going to work now.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Click on my screen there, buddy.
Holy shit, Mike, look at that.
Look at that shit.
It is happening. It's happening live.
Oh, my God. That is fucking horrendous.
Now, this guy, you think he's really gay, eh?
Are you kidding me? Lives in Palm Springs, has a Fu Manchu, and a dog like that. How many cocks has he not chugged?
Mm-hmm.
Well, who is that person?
A fucking flaming faggot.
Well, why are you? I don't understand. Who are you? Why are you showing this?
Oh,
you know. Well,
Dave.
This guy's got a channel. This guy's another.
Dave, send Mike the link to this guy's channel.
Yeah, I mean, he's talking about stacking silver all the time, shooting guns, and you should be watching this guy.
Oh no, I don't watch this guy. I don't watch any of these people.
He's just another one. He's one of the latest.
Dude, everybody on YouTube is a fucking blowjob, dude. They're douchebags.
We're just showing you what they, his little dog can do.
Everybody on YouTube is a loser.
I know. I finally figured it out. It took fucking.
They're all losers.
8 years to figure it out, didn't it, Dolan, for me?
Dave, we're gonna have to do an emergency broadcast here.
Everybody that has a channel like trying to actually be like cool is a loser. If you want to tell me how to replace the fucking, 87 Ford F-150, okay, that's fine. But if you're trying to tell me how to rate, like you got a brand new doggy and you bought some toys for it, I don't care. You know what I mean?
Let's do it live, Dave.
What should I title it? Emergency, everything's going to shit? Something like that?
It's all done. The world's over with.
All right. What should we title it? Give me a title. I got to come up with a title.
How about title it Massive Cock Chugging Cabal? See how long it takes for YouTube to take that down.
No, I'm going to do something like... Urgent Information Bulletin.
Always urgent.
Just call it, Dave. Dave, just call it Satan's Steak Hall.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Just say YouTube is Satan's Steak Hall.
Send me an invite.
Send me an angel, Dave.
How about YouTube is Satan's Rectum?
Yeah, no, YouTube is Satan's Stink Hole.
Okay.
That'll get you. That'll get you signed right up. Send me an angel. Woo.
What the hell is that?
Just be honest, it's called suck a dick.
That's
Fuckwads.
right. Let's get
I don't think you can type that into a title.
Woo.
That's too offensive.
Really? I'm gonna age restrict it. Don't worry.
No, fuck that. Do it. Do it to it, man.
I am doing it to it. I got it age restrict. It'll be all right. If that little 14-year-old can talk shit, I can do
That's
it.
right. That little Nazi bitch.
Yeah.
By the way, that's a little transgender freak. That little fucking Soph.
Really?
Oh, are you kidding me? What do you think that is?
I wouldn't doubt it now.
Did
Yeah.
you even tell, Dave? You don't even know if that's a boy or a girl, do you?
Yep.
That's the whole point. That's Satan's stink hole.
And the other call. Let's see here. How am I gonna get you guys in here?
Jeremiah Babe is a nightmare.
Let me wait here for a second. Jeremiah Babe's a nightmare. He's no friend of mine. Fuck you, doggy. Yeah.
Jeremiah was a bullfrog.
I'll send you the link, Olin, and then you can send all these guys the link, and then
Oh, they'll get in. What channel are you doing it under? So they at least they
the
know.
news unit. The big,
I don't have any of your subscribers.
Unit.
the big one. The big one. Now, give me 2 minutes here to set this shit up.
Yeah, the big one that's got 3 subscribers.
No, this has got over 1,000, but he's probably only got an active.
Oh shit, man! Calling it like it is.
Oh man,
It's a
you gotta send it to me on Google Plus, Alan.
All right, we'll hook it up.
Or
Yeah, I can send it in this room. All right.
Jeremiah was a bullfrog.